up, everybody on YouTube? Whoopsie! I think I'll show you guys this little construction site that's going on near my near my plant. This construction site is going over by my neighborhood. It is kind of nice. They're putting houses up. All their loads. Don't know what that is. If any of you guys know what that is, just leave a comment for people that don't understand. I'm over here in the construction, across the street, with my bike. And yes, I do have an actual real pair of police handcuffs that I kept locked up to my bike.
Say, hey everybody, dump truck.
This is a Bluetooth Cub.
Dump truck.
Oh, here comes a dump truck. Sorry that sun's too bright in your guys' eye. So enjoy the video. I'll let this go for a few minutes and then...
Here comes Mr. Kenworth 7.
Mr. 7's coming. Truck 7. It is a dump truck. If you can't see, right there. A small one. Oh, you can twist stop. And there's the operator over there working on something. I got my tire against this. And like I was saying, this is a Bluetooth speaker.
Mr. 7 on the move.
And he was on his phone trying to drive that boy.
Shameful.
That's the weirdest thing. I'll talk to you about that later. Yeah, they are building some houses like that. But I'll show you in another video what it will look like when it's finished. I won't show the inside, but I can show you the outside of what the premise is going to look like. It's actually a little nice. To me, I mean, I would like to buy one of the buildings. It's a duplex with a garage. I'd buy one property so I can live in one, and my friend can live on the other side. And I could actually have my own garage. He can have his own garage. Have cameras set up on the top of the roof, everywhere. I would have cameras everywhere, most of all. And then I could knock the garage part out, and we wouldn't have to worry about who has keys to this mailbox and that mailbox. I'll show you why I was talking mailbox in another video. That might be new houses. That might be the new video that I've been putting out. And if you don't realize who this is, it's my friend, Brendan!
Big boy.
And yep, he's got his bike with the green basket, his lock.
Mr. Cuddy Cut.
Oh yeah, Mr. Slicey. Oh. Number 6, truck 6. Kenworth. A Matt. Peterbilt. I'm a Peterbilt. What are you guys up to? I know it's been too long since I've been posting some videos for you guys. I'm going to try to post more. I might take some more of these videos and post them. Today is November, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys all have
Thanksgiving, everybody. Thanks for shouting out to us.
And thanks for subscribing. If you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, give me a like. And
Big T and Big Boy.
And for one thing, I'll be honest, if you guys want to get a hold of me, get on Zillow. It's Zello. Look for Big Tessa or Big T. You can go on the Ring of Fire. NST, Nonstop Talk.
Or Snapchat.
I don't have Snapchat. But I do got YouTube. If you like to subscribe, I'm just asking. Happy Thanksgiving. I might try to post a Christmas one, but I don't know how long it's going to be before I can post another video. I might try to post tomorrow. If they're out here tomorrow, I'll post another video. If you see it, you'll know. But if I don't post tomorrow, then you know, happy Thanksgiving to me and my friend.
Hey, everybody. If you ever see me or Big T out on the streets, come give us a high five or give us a hug or something. Just see something. Show us that you care.
Yeah. And we're not that far from...
Independence Academy by Independence Police Station on Truman Road.
Yeah. Yep. The Independence Police Station. You can get us a holler on YouTube. He's got his own YouTube channel.
But I don't have my own phone right now. I lost it. I'm sorry that that happened. I'm trying to save. I got like $100 and some in the bank now. I have to try to get trying to get money after Thanksgiving, and I'll let you guys a heads up.
Yeah. And if you guys would like to, if me and him moves in together, me and him can open our own cooking show to show you guys how we make a certain stuff. I'll try to post a video of some of these houses. Looks like that. If you can't see back there, that's what it's going to look like. But I'll give you a more closer up of the houses when we get closer.
When we get some more money, we're gonna start. I'm gonna do giveaways. I'm gonna start getting model trains and then do giveaways with them. Oh, Mr. Seven on the CB radio, everybody. Back to this other dumper.
And talking to dispatch. I don't know if this would work going in my pocket. If I put this in my pocket, I would have to keep it rolling. I know, it's no big deal. As long as we don't make a bad word or something. Oh, here comes a truck, a dump truck.
Mr. Mac.
Six, yeah.
And Mr. Mini Excavator driver's coming back to work.
Trying to get high off because there's a car about to come. Don't want to get the plates and all over everybody.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna try to honk it.
Oh, there we go.
And everybody, this is also,
It's a close-up. It's going to be a close-up.
This is a very freaking awesome place to hit. You got to go to construction sites and check them out. I mean, you can have like 40 excavators, 40 trenchers. You can have anything. I mean, you don't know what's going to go up.
Oh, here comes the Bobcat Brusher. She's turning around. She's going to go the opposite way. Okay. Oh, probably go on the other side of that street.
Let's go.
Alright, follow her. But I better go ahead and close it up for you guys. If you like, join. If you're new, subscribe. So have a good time, and I'll talk to you later. Slick, slack, and see you later.